Hello everyone, it's Coin Operated Rise and Fidget Spinners again. And I'm back again. I'm actually going to be showing you all of this lovely 1800s Gilbert clock chiming half hour. So, as you probably see, it's almost that time.
It messed up my hair.
Sorry, that's Miss Athene in the background. No, you're fine. You're fine. I was just letting my YouTubers know that's you. Say hello.
Oh, you there? Hello.
Yeah. Anyways, here we are with the clock. I'll open it and let you see inside. Huh? So here we go, if I can get to it. This is what it looks like inside. This is the inside of the clock. And you can see it's got
turkey brain.
and you can see there's where you wind the clock. Oh, I think it's so that is the inside of the clock. So yeah, I'm actually quite into chiming clocks, so I love them, especially Howard Miller grandfather clocks. But this is a lovely 1800s Gilbert clock. I think it is reaching its half hour. Right here there's the clock hand. It's almost to the 6. Or I think it's on the 6. I'm not sure. But yeah, it's got a nice clock dial. Beautiful and handmade. It's beautifully handmade. There's the door right there. I'm gonna close it up. Yeah, my first video I showed it chiming because I was with Mr. Elsie Senior.
I hope we didn't shake. Well, no, it's still going.
Yeah, I think it's still going. We're almost there. Yeah, I'm showing my YouTubers the clock. Sorry about that. So it should chime. Yeah, sorry if I made it chime early. It should be getting close to the chimes. Y'all are gonna hear this thing chime in a half hour. It's pretty awesome. That's my phone. Sorry about that. Sorry about that, guy. YouTubers. That is my clock on my phone doing that, making that chime. And it's 2:30 right now. The clock should be chiming. Let's see.
That's the whole speaker. Then you have a box on the back.
Oh yeah, it's 2:30. I think it just chimed. I'll open the back so y'all can. Oh, there's the back. The clock. I'll give y'all a side view. There's a side view of the clock. Here's that side right there. And then I showed you the back in the last video. I'll move it.
I don't believe it's going to chime.
Yeah. But anyways, it's me again.
Let me move it down for 1 hour.
We're gonna show y'all the 1 hour. This is Mr. Elsie here.
Watch it there.
We're gonna move it around for you. He's moving it, and sorry guys, even though it may be 2:30, but the clock just chimed 6. But I thought I'd show y'all this video to all my subscribers to YouTube. He's gonna set the clock again. I think he's turning it to the half hour. Anyways, it's a beautiful clock. So thank you for watching, and I will see y'all on the next YouTube video.